This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need an account and the app installed, so sign in now and pick a workspace. Once done, choose a simple template to avoid blank page paralysis and rename the page to reflect its purpose. Make sure to add a cover and icon so you can visually scan the sidebar. Next, create the first block, type / to see options, and insert a heading or text. This establishes structure immediately and keeps you from overcomplicating the first steps. Now you build the core. Create a database like a table or board to capture items. Once created, add properties, date for deadlines, select for status, and person for owners, so entries are actionable. Make views and filters to surface only what matters today and relate databases to avoid duplicate info. Use inline blocks to combine text, images, and embeds in one page. Make a template for repeated entries, so finish by organizing pages into a clear sidebar hierarchy and favorite the ones you use daily. Share pages with teammates, set view or edit permissions, and use mentions to assign work. This keeps accountability visible. Sync across devices and enable reminders on date properties for follow-up. For safety, duplicate critical pages or export backups. If a page fails to load or content disappears, clear cache, check sharing permissions, and confirm you're in the correct workspace as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.